नमस्कार दोस्तों, सीए इंटरमीडिएट मई 2018 का रिज़ल्ट आ चुका है और मेरे साथ यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं सुमित जांघिड़ जो कि अजमेर से हैं और इन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से ऑल इंडिया में 36th रैंक हासिल की है। इन्होंने जयपुर शहर में वीएसआई इंस्टीट्यूट को अपनी कोर्स की तैयारी के लिए चुना और यहाँ रहते हुए इन्होंने तैयारी की। आइए जानते हैं उन्होंने इतनी बड़ी सफलता आखिर कैसे हासिल की। सुमित, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको।
थैंक यू मैम।
सुमित, कैसा लग रहा है?
Ma'am, I'm really excited to see that I'm standing over AIR 36. Actually, in my whole family, no one has stand in All India rank. So when I'm totally excited. Actually, my net was not working in my hometown. So in our group, in our WhatsApp group, someone uploaded my result and stating that I got AIR 36. I totally jumped over the floor, and when I told my father, he totally hugged me. That is the most precious feeling for me, that I was waiting over 19 years. When he proudly hugs me, that he says that I can say in front of my colleague that my son has cracked CA intermediate with AIR 36. So that feeling was really mesmerizing.
Expectation था इतने अच्छे result?
Actually, everyone was saying, but I was not expected. Really, I was not expecting a rank because my father was like when he sent me here, I belong to Ajmer. So my father was like, तुझा both group करके आ, that's what we want and be happy, है ना. So actually when I got AIR 36, I was not expecting because my father was not expecting, but when I got AIR 36, when I told him, he was like कि हमने तो both group के लिए भेजा था, तो AIR लिया है. So he was like मतलब बहुत खुश हुए. And for my side, my family's feeling is really great for me. So when they were happy, I was really like, I was started crying.
Sumit, as you have told us, you're from Ajmer. इतना distance में आपने अपना institution choose किया, क्या reason है?
हाँ मैम, actually I was aiming to select an institute in Ajmer only, but my father was like he's always against me. He says go to VSI, see the result. Go to VSI, see the result. But I don't want to leave my hometown. But still he sent me there, and I think that's the best decision I had ever taken in my life.
Okay, tell me about your methods of studies.
I think hard work, not intelligence. Basic intelligence is required, but mostly the important thing is hard work. The whole India is focusing like you should go slowly you should study for 8 months, and in 1 month we'll take the mock test series and you'll be scoring good. That's not the pattern, ma'am. We need to do hard work so that we would be able to round up the course around 4 to 5 times. That we have done in this institute. When I told the person who are not studying in the institute, they were like, how is it possible to conduct the whole course in 4 to 5 months? But I said that VSI is capable of doing that, and we are capable of doing that. But you are not observing in yourself that you are able to.
कितने भाई बहन हो आप लोग?
Ma'am, actually, one is me, and one of my brother is also there. Like we are two. My brother, my elder brother, Tarun Jaanghid, and he always supports me. I'm glad that I have him. He's like my second father. Really.
कोई और भी है आपकी फैमिली में जिन्होंने सीए के प्रिपरेशन किया या फिर कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड किसी का रहा हो?
No, actually, my father is a senior section engineer. My brother is an engineer. I am the first person who entered in this background, and I have with this AIR 36. So I'm really proud. My whole family is really proud of me because I have joint family. We live in narrow family, but we have joint family, and everyone is wishing from yesterday. So I'm really glad.
Okay, tell me something about your institutional environment. कैसा है वहाँ का माहौल?
Ma'am, actually what I say is that after intermediate exam I went to Mumbai for ITOC program. So I saw there and I compared it with the VSI. I think VSI is the best. No, I am not saying in that manner that someone has told me to tell that. Actually, I am feeling in this my heart. Actually, when the starting 3-4 month, we were like, what is going on? No, this is not the institute we should choose. We were like that. But after 5 to 6 months, when we were able to round up the course 2 to 3 times, we were like, oh my God, what we are doing. When I come to know about the person who was studying in the Ajmer, they were like, our course is not near to complete, and how you are going to round up in 2 to 3 times. And when we are giving exam, we are able to revise the course around 4 times, and that is the impossible thing in the eyes of the other person. So I think the study environment in VSI is totally good, totally good. No parties, no इधर उधर की चीज़ें कुछ भी नहीं. Totally like the teachers are more supportive. I don't say that teachers are of world class, I don't say that, but actually the teachers are really supportive. And the second thing, what the mock test series keeps us like grabbing us, they don't let us to go back. Actually when we finished our course, some of the people goes home there because their hometown is far away, so they went there, but I decided to remain here, because of which like I think the AIR 36 is because of that, because I stay here only.
ओके सुमित, व्हाट मैसेज यू वुड लाइक टू कन्वे टू योर जूनियर्स जो इंटरमीडिएट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, और वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी जो 12th में अभी हैं और सोच रहे हैं कि सीए के बारे में, सीए को अपने एज करियर चुनने के बारे में, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज दोगे?
मैं एक्चुअली मैं उनको ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि एवरीवन थिंक्स दैट वी शुड रिमेन इन आवर होम टाउन, बट दैट शुड नॉट बी द पॉइंट. अगर कोई अजमेर से बिलोंग कर रहा है, या मैं कहता हूँ कहीं और से बिलोंग करता है, तो उसको माइग्रेट करने में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए. वो सोचते हैं कि ये बड़ा सिटी है, हम माइग्रेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, वहाँ कितना प्रॉब्लम होगा. एवरीथिंग मैनेजेस इफ़ यू हैव सम होप, एवरीथिंग विल बी मैनेज्ड. ठीक है, तो अगर उनको आना है तो मैं उनको स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड करता हूँ. मैं इंटरव्यू की बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं जिन लोगों से भी मिला हूँ, मेरे रिजल्ट से पहले भी मिला हूँ, मैंने उन सबको रिकमेंड किया है यू गो टू VSI. एज मैनी ऑफ द जूनियर्स ऑफ माइन आई हैव रिकमेंड देम टू VSI, एंड दे आर लाइक एट दैट पोजिशन व्हेन आई वाज देयर, like they were criticizing, no yaar hum kahan aa gaye, but I told them be here, after 5 months you'll be blessing me. So I was like कि मतलब VSI is the best institute in our India, because the study pattern I saw here is not even possible for any other institute, because grabbing up the whole course in 4 to 5 months is not even possible for any of the institute of the India. So I think this is the best institute anyone can choose, because from here, if you are a hard working guy, this is the place from where your hard work will pay you.
Is it tough as people think?
No ma'am, it's not a tough course. I just say it's a hard working course, that's it. If you will be work systematically plus hard working, systematic plus hard working for a 9 to 10 months, you will be able to score really good marks. I say it's not like you will be having good intelligence, आपका अच्छा intelligence होना चाहिए, आप 95% वाले होने चाहिए. As many of our friends is also there who cracked CPT with 110 or 120 marks. They passed both group. One of them has got AIR 11 also. So I would strongly recommend that this is the course where you don't need intelligence, just you need a systematic approach plus hard working. That's it.
Wow, thank you so much Sumit, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am.